So let's talk a little bit about what we made last time. So I'm just going to hop into Python, or PyCharm that is. Not so much about what we actually made, but about some of the things that we did. So we had something sort of like this, right? And if we run this, you can see, hello, a fish. And we have hello world here. And we have these letters, so each one has sort of its own position, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. to the end. And we're only using from 0 to 6. Now we have this next string, my name is, and Bob. And we're only pulling part of this string as well. Now, we can change the way that we did this. Instead of having 0 to 6, we could actually just delete the 0. And on this last part, instead of doing -7 to -1, we could delete that as well. And this is going to tell it to go from start to 6, and from -7 to end. And by doing this, we can actually get that period in there that we had missed when we had tried doing -1, or if we had tried doing -0 or 0 because it didn't like that, right? So by just deleting the rest, it's going to continue through the rest of the string, which allows us to get that dot, or that period at the end there. Now right now, we're just printing part of each string. And this name replace is not modifying the original strings. It's only modifying this new string that I created. So if I go in here and I do print message, and if I go in here and I do print name, you're going to see that these have not changed. These are still those original strings, so hello world and my name is Bob. The replace is only happening in the new string, in a new name. And when you're doing a replace, it's putting that in the temporary memory, not in the original variable. And here, if I print all of new name and not just part of it, you can see my name is a fish. It replaced Bob in my name is with a fish. So now you can see all three variables, including that top print command that I left in there that has the concatenation between part of message and part of new name. So if I do just a few different string methods here, so I could do like capitalize, and I could do message dot. Let's see, what other ones do we have in here? There's a bunch in here, and some of these are like conditionals where it's checking, and some of them are conversions like dot lower. And I could do, let's see, let's find some more. I could do title. And let's try doing some string methods also to the name string. So name.title and name.capitalize. And then let's try printing them. So print message and print name. So if I run this, actually let's delete some of this up here just to reduce confusion. So if I run this, you can see the strings are unchanged. And this is because those string methods don't change the original variable. They changed it, but it was in temporary memory and we didn't do anything with it. It's sort of like doing 2 plus 2 but never actually asking for an answer, never printing the answer. However, if we do that string method inside of these print commands, then it will print that change that we made there. Or the other option, of course, would be to actually store it in a variable.